Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, as always, today here again I am with one more cool trick. So guys, today I'm going to show you that how you can increase your Twitter followers. Yes guys, today I'll be showing you how to increase your Twitter followers. And guys, by this trick you can increase enormous amount of followers daily on YouTube. Yes guys, so all you need to do is just I'll show you right here right now. The site you have to open is called toolkitty.com. Yes guys, the site is called toolkitty.com. Just open this site. So that guys, this site offers various services but we are going to use Twitter tool. So Twitter tool has total 6 tools, and Instagram, Facebook and YouTube tools are coming soon. Twitter tools are not now available. I tap on Twitter tools. This is the page. Now we are going down, scroll down the page, and here you can see there are different tools: Twitter followers, Twitter unfollowers, Twitter retweet, Twitter likes, Twitter DM, delete all tweets. And so we are going to use Twitter followers. Now tap on Twitter followers icon. Now this is the page. Now scroll down, go down. So guys, basically now here I want to tell you that how you have to use. Now first of all, log in your Twitter on your browser. Now tap on this icon called get pin on Twitter, pin code on Twitter. If your Twitter is logged in, you will get a pin code. Just copy that pin code and paste that pin code in this column called enter pin code. Yes guys, this column, enter pin code, and make sure you have logged in your Twitter so that you can get your pin code. And after pasting that pin code, just log in and you will see that you have 20 credits. So basically these 20 credits are the 20 followers that you are going to have. Once you log in by entering the pin code, you will be able to just use the 20 points, and those 20 points are basically your 20 followers, and those 20 followers get refreshed in every 59 minutes. So after 59 minutes again you will get 20 followers, and all you need to do is just generate the code and paste this code and go on that page and start crediting. So guys, by this trick you will be able to earn 20 followers every hour. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I just keep on posting this kind of interesting videos. And guys, this trick is 100% working. So guys, wish you a very happy healthy life. Take care. Goodbye.